In this problem, we have a pendulum swinging back and forth. This looks like a really complicated problem, but it's actually not that scary. The trick to this is to focus on the mechanical energy. So remember that mechanical energy is potential plus kinetic. Okay. So we're going to look up here. We have our kinetic and our potential here. So the total mechanical energy is 2.4 joules. And in this situation, it says the mechanical energy is conserved. So the whole way down, at every step, the total energy, or the mechanical energy, has got to be equal to 2.4 joules. That's kind of going to be the trick to what we're doing here. So some of these are a little bit easy. So for example, for this next guy, 0 plus 2.4 was 2.4. For part B, 2 plus blank is 2.4. Well, pretty obvious. 0.4 joules. Here, pretty easy too. Blank plus 0 is 2.4. 2.4 joules. This last one throws people off, but it's nothing to be scared of. In the picture, you notice that they make a little dotted line indicating that A and D are at the same place, in the same height. In that situation, if they're back at the same height, well, they have to have the same potential energy, and since that's the same potential energy, you have to have the same kinetic energy.